So again, it's like 2:30 in the morning. So I'm waiting for Brandon to pick me up because he prefers driving his car. So I have my backpack here ready already. Poles, wire, Pringles, and of course extra batteries for the camera, the GoPro, and the best spray. Some extra clothes. Gatorade right there. Wow! Alright. So I guess we're ready for it, and yeah, I hope we're gonna have a good day in the mountain. Open the garage on the outside.
What? I came from east, came down to the court, I turned left on 223rd.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. That's the one.
Is your car in the garage, or
I'll open the garage.
what in the world? It went from 60.
Yeah, I see you now. I stopped.
Stop.
Yeah.
Oh. That's a weird numbering here.
Why?
It's not going in order.
Oh yeah. So Brandon is here. Shall we begin?
Which way am I going?
South.
On Winterburn?
Winterburn, no. White Mud South. We're going to Southgate Mall.
Southgate Mall?
Yeah, man.
What?
Really? Yeah.
I should have just picked him up there.
I know. I just found out yesterday.
Right by there.
Yeah, it was because before, I think that was a month ago, he used to live in West End, so, and then I asked him, and he said he's living in the south side now, and I was like, maybe he can pick you up. I'm not sure about that because you guys don't know each other yet. It's chilly already here. Oh, never. McDonald's. So we just got here at Trailhead, and now we have mountain goats. Is that mountain goats?
Yeah.
Alright. So we're just gonna gear up and ready to go. Bro. Salita ka man.
What's up, guys? How you doing?
So we just started hiking now, and look at the scenery right here. So we're here at Canmore.
Are you up for that nice peak? Yeah. Yeah.
Do haling and then go back.
Yeah.
This one's too difficult, Lawrence. There's another trail for that. This one's supposed to be hard.
It's a good start. Hi, morning. So I think we made it 1K already, right? Is that right? Oh yeah. Just look at the scenery. Yeah, pretty sweating right now, so it's a good workout and a good warm up. It's all downhill.
all downhill and all uphill. Right from the start. But you know what the trick is? If it's you know, not really rocky, you can climb backwards. Yeah. Say hi to the camera.
On YouTube?
Yeah. Jojo or Mario.
Okay, next one.
What's your guys' name?
Sorry.
Tony? Riven? Alright. So I think we're almost halfway. We have a high elevations already. As you can see. Look at that. Up in the morning. How's it going, Brian? Fantastic. So that's the top. Is that Canmore? My back. This town of Canmore. Look at that scenery. Amazing. I think that's the one that we pass, eh? Yeah. What would be the last area you'd like to
Lawas kayo, malis.
Alas 8 po.
35 minutes lang kayo. Jojo. Hindi naman kalimutan kasi. Nagkatabahan ako Jojo. Joseph. Mga taga saan kayo?
Taga Edmonton. Ayan po.
Alberta.
Yung YouTube channel ba niya?
Sige, lagay mo na dito.
Ano pangalan mo, Are?
Mara.
Mara Jojo.
And your
Rose here.
Rose. Brennan.
Brandon.
Brennan.
Brandon. Brandon. Okay, you guys will see you up there.
Alright.
If we make it.
So you guys know what to do, huh? Subscribe, like, and comment.
Don't forget to press the notification bell. We have met a fellow kababayans here. It was Mara and Ate Rose right there. Let's continue our hike. Probably another hour all the way to the top. Alright, man. Oh yeah.